What if the moon isn't what we think it is? What if that glowing orb we've stared at for thousands of years isn't a natural satellite at all, but something far more sinister? An ancient artificial construct placed there deliberately and watched over in silence. Tonight, we dive into one of the most mind-bending, globally whispered conspiracy theories ever recorded. The moon is hollow, and what NASA knows, but won't tell you. Let's begin with something that happened on November 20th, 1969. NASA's Apollo 12 mission had just completed a successful landing on the moon. As part of a seismic experiment, they deliberately crashed the lunar module ascent stage into the moon's surface. What happened next sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The moon rang like a bell. For nearly an hour, the vibrations resonated in a way no celestial body ever had. It didn't thud like rock. It echoed, as if it were hollow. NASA's own reports admitted this, describing the moon's behavior as startling and unlike anything ever observed. Later impacts, some even stronger, produced longer-lasting seismic reverberations, almost like hitting a massive metal shell. And that's when the whispers began. Was the moon hollow? According to mainstream science, the moon is a solid rock body with a dense core. But many observations don't align with that. Let's talk anomalies. For one, the moon is too perfectly placed. It's 400 times smaller than the sun, yet 400 times closer to Earth, making both appear the same size in the sky. This cosmic coincidence is so precise that it allows perfect solar eclipses, something unique to Earth. Is it chance? Or engineering? Then there's its unnatural orbit, circular and tidally locked. The same side always faces us. It doesn't wobble like most moons. And unlike any other moon in our solar system, our moon is disproportionately massive compared to its host planet. Some scientists have gone on record calling it a statistical impossibility. In 1970, Soviet scientists Mikhail Vassin and Alexander Sherbakov published a controversial article titled, "Is the Moon the Creation of Intelligence?" They proposed that the moon might be an artificial satellite, hollowed out by unknown beings, potentially using technology beyond our comprehension. Their theory suggested that the moon may have been placed in Earth's orbit intentionally, to observe us, or control us. Now consider this. The surface of the moon is covered in craters, but many are strangely shallow, regardless of the size of the impactor. Why? Because something just beneath the surface is stopping the force, like reinforced armor. And what lies beneath that shell remains completely unknown. In 2009, NASA's Lacrosse mission deliberately slammed a rocket into a lunar crater, releasing a plume of debris. But what exactly were they hoping to uncover? Some believe it wasn't just water they were after, but signs of interior structures, cavities, or perhaps even machinery. And then there are the eerie recordings, strange radio signals and rhythmic pulses picked up by astronauts and probes near the moon, unexplained electromagnetic activity. Some of these transmissions were classified, others were released, but with redactions. Why? What is NASA not telling us? Let's shift to the far side of the moon. No human has ever stepped foot there. It's the side we never see. A permanent shadow. China's Chang'e 4 mission in 2019 was the first to land there. They found something unusual, a gel-like substance, unnatural shapes, but the data? Still vague, still incomplete. Many believe the far side of the moon hides bases, structures, or even entrances into the moon itself. Old whistleblowers from within military and aerospace sectors have claimed the moon may be occupied. By whom or what is the terrifying part? Now think about this. What if the moon didn't appear in Earth's sky until relatively recently? Some ancient civilizations make no mention of it. Petroglyphs and oral traditions in some cultures describe a time before the moon existed. What changed? And who brought it here? In ancient texts, the moon is often described as a watcher, a gate, or a beacon of the gods. Is it a cosmic lighthouse, a monitoring station, or something far darker? So now I ask you, is the moon just a lifeless rock drifting through space? Or is it an ancient construct, placed in our skies for a reason no one dares to admit? Are we looking at a natural satellite? Or the greatest surveillance device in human history? Why do so many questions remain unanswered? And what is NASA still hiding beneath layers of data, redactions, and silence? Let us know what you believe in the comments. Because maybe the real reason we haven't returned to the moon in over 50 years isn't because we can't. It's because we were warned not to.